This tutorial about the auto-tuning mode of the ESCON Studio shows the recommended procedure for automated controller parameterization. As a starting point, we assume that the startup procedure has successfully been accomplished and that you have a motor, maybe with encoder, and a power supply connected to the ESCON device. Tuning is about optimization, the system response, and should always be done on the complete system with all the inertias and friction in place. The mechanical system must be able to move freely. As an example, we have here a DC motor with encoder and a gearhead as a mechanical drive. There are different possibilities to start the regulation tuning tool. Select one by double-clicking. Select the method Auto-Tuning. Auto-tuning is the simplest and automatic way of finding optimum control parameters. The other method, Expert Tuning, offers additional settings and can be used if particular conditions apply. There is a separate tutorial covering Expert Tuning. Press Next. Auto-tuning is very simple to use. All you have to do is press the Start button. All the other settings needed for the tuning process are done according to the motor and feedback parameters defined during startup. Make sure that the system is free to move and continue. With the auto-tuning, all possible operating modes are tuned in one run: current control and speed control with inner current control loop. There's no need to repeat the tuning even if the operating mode is changed. The status display indicates the condition of the corresponding control parameter. Green means dimensioned, the controller is parameterized. Red means undimensioned, the controller is not yet parameterized. The tuning runs fully automatically in 3 steps. First, the tuning tries to find out the relevant parameters of the plant. This is called identification. The system reaction to left-right excitations with different frequencies and amplitudes is monitored. In a second step, controller parameters are calculated based on a general model of the plant. This is called parameterization. If necessary, the calculated controller parameters could later be modified to match particular requirements. The third step is verification. The system performance is checked at the end using a motion profile that corresponds to the calculated bandwidth. The result is displayed in the graphs. Pressing the button Finish saves all the tuning parameters permanently on the ESCON device. That's all to be done in auto-tuning. ESCON and motor are ready for precisely responding to speed or current commands.